Hey YouTube, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is showing you guys how to get the latest Amazon promo codes and coupon codes that you can use on your Amazon shopping experience. This is going to be completely for free, working as of January 2026. And I'm going to show you guys how to get these unlimited coupon codes. Now, they are only one-time use only, so you're going to have to go through the process of getting them. It takes under 5 minutes, and you're going to save yourself between $50 to $100 depending on the item and depending on the value of the shopping cart. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do this right now and how people are saving hundreds of dollars on their Amazon orders every single day. They're going to this website called www.bombcoupons.com. You should see that on the screen right now. www.bomb and then coupons.com. This is the site, guys, that you're going to go ahead and actually use this. And what we're going to do is find Amazon once it's done loading. So once you guys are on the site, there's going to be a whole bunch of coupons and codes and Spotify and all that stuff. So what you want to do is just come over here and just type in Amazon at the top, and then find the Amazon $100 codes. Okay, now there are limited available of these. They do add more. These do go out very, very quickly. So I'm kind of doing this in a time when they've just added some. So if you luckily enough and you see coupons left, do this right now. So there's 208 coupons left. As you guys can see, you get $100 off. You just press on show coupon code. And what this is going to do is just check how many codes are and kind of lock you in to get this code. These codes will only keep you locked in for like an hour. So if you don't, complete this step in an hour, you're going to lose the code. But as you guys can see, here's the gift card code, basically the coupon. The code is locked and the last digits are locked out as well, so you can't see them. I'm going to show you how to unlock it right now. It's free, it's easy, and this is why we're on a mobile device, is because this works on iOS and Android, and you need to go ahead and get some additional kind of sponsored apps. So what's happening here is Bomb Coupons. It says 2 of these need to be completed. These apps sponsor Bomb Coupons, and we could not provide our amazing coupons without them. So what's happening here is these apps, such as DraftKings, Moto, and Just Play, have gone ahead and sponsored and bought these, these basically coupon codes. They're paying for it. And in order to go ahead and get them, you just have to go ahead and get their free app off the App Store or Google Play Store. As you guys can see, you just press unlock now. Make sure you're going it through these links. You need to do 2 of them. It's free, it's easy. I'll show you me one doing right now. But as you guys can see, it's going to take you to a page like this. It's going to say search below, type in that, and then find that. So what you do is you just press the little red button to search the App Store. Okay, make sure you're clicking it through the link. Otherwise, it will not track you and you won't get your Amazon coupon code. Okay, so as you guys can see, you load it right here. And then we're going to type what it wanted. And then you find the one. It's literally the first one. It says in position 1. It's that easy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and there it is there. And that's going to be complete. Now, if you read the rest of the instructions, it says open it. That's all you're going to do. That's one of them done. It's literally that easy. This has never been a time easy to do this. Before, there's also, you like level up in these games and do all this stuff. Now you just go ahead and get these things here and you save yourself $100, and this is complete for free and it's easy. So this one wants you to do that, okay? And you just find that one as well. So easy nowadays with how easy this is. You don't have to play games at all. You just got to get them. They're just trying to get higher in the App Store. They're paying for these codes. They want you to, sign up and actually play and use these apps. You don't have to. You just got to go ahead and get them. Remember, the instructions just say to go ahead, install it, and open it. Remember, these are completely for free. They'll never cost you anything. So you just go ahead and open it up, use it. Cool. It's that easy. Once you're done, you just simply come back up to here, okay? You come back to this page. This little 0 of 2 might not update. It doesn't sometimes if you've just done the process like I have. So all you want to do is just hit on the back button, and now the code is fully unlocked, and you can go ahead and copy it and redeem yourself on the Amazon store, either on the gift card side or on the coupon section, promo code section, just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's how easy this is. There's 200 of these left. They are adding more, but go try this right now. Hopefully when you visit Bomb Coupons, they have coupons left. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.